Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is sound. We'll identify soft and loud sounds. Your ears let you hear sounds around you. You hear when a sound enters your ears. Things that make sound are called sources of sound, like a man playing guitar or a ball hitting skittles. These pictures show some sources of sound like chirping of birds, beating of drum, lightning, and thunder. Some sources of sounds make very loud sound. We can hear them from afar, like a plane in the sky, the roar of a lion, an ambulance siren, or the fireworks display. Some sounds are soft. We can't hear them from afar, just like the buzzing of a bee, the ticking of a clock, the wind blowing, and the rustling of leaves. Let's try to review the concepts that we've learned. Sound can be either loud or soft. Loud sound can be heard from afar, while soft sound cannot be heard from afar. Let's read and spell the words. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. Soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. Now it's your turn to identify loud and soft sounds. Let's do this! Loud. Loud. Soft. Loud. Let's read the words. Sound. Loud. Soft. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next episode.